loves, what's up and welcome or welcome back to our channel. My name is Oge. You're watching Cook with Ogechi, and yes, Happy New Year! In today's recipe, we're going to be making the classic Nigerian salad, creamy, crunchy, and colorful, and of course, very delicious. Before we get started, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. So the first ingredient we'll have here is the thing that makes the Nigerian salad, which is the salad cream. I'm going to be adding some plain yogurt and mayonnaise into my own cream. It just adds a little bit of twist to it. And then we have sweet corn, we have baked beans. We're also going to be adding some macaroni without the cheese. We have carrots, cabbage, and cucumber. Guys, I forgot to put my egg here, but we're also going to be adding some egg. So to get started, in a boiling water, you want to add a little bit of oil and some salt, then add in your macaroni. Any macaroni can work for this ingredient. The next thing you want to do is to stir this nicely well because you don't want your macaroni to be marrying each other, okay? Allow that to simmer down to your desired tenderness, and then you can strain it out and wash, set aside and allow to cool down. Now our ingredient has been prepped and ready to go, and this is what we have here. Just look at how colorful everything is looking. Once you're done with prepping your ingredients, this recipe is actually ready. Now, in a big bowl, you're going to start layering all your ingredients. It doesn't matter any order that you go in, you just want to make sure that you you layer it in a way that when you scoop, you are going to be scooping everything. So you can see that I started first with the cabbage, which is like the mama of the of the ingredients, of all the ingredients, right? And then my cabbage went in, my cucumber, my carrots, my corn, and then my pasta. And we're going to repeat that until we fill this bowl up. Guys, whenever I see my vegetables looking so colorful, I am excited because I just love the looks and colorfulness of these vegetables. Now, once we layer everything up like this, the last thing we're going to add in here is our egg. Just make it look as nice as you can, and this is what we have, guys. Because I'm not going to be serving this at once, I'm going to be adding my baked beans in a separate bowl. Okay, this is going to help it to always stay fresh whenever you mix your salad. All right, but if you're making this salad for like an event, a party, and you guys are going to be eating it at once, then I recommend you add the baked beans into that big bowl. All right, now for the moment I love the most, mixing all my cream. Now, guys, you don't have to mix this. You can actually use just the salad cream. But for me, I personally don't enjoy too much of that, salad cream taste. So to dilute it or to bring it down a little bit, I love to add some mayonnaise and yogurt. And this just makes the whole salad taste and flavor to be on another level. You should give this a try. Mix everything and yeah, set aside. And now in a bowl, I'm going to scoop the one that I'm going to be eating. So this salad, I like to make it this way and enjoy it for like in the period of 1 week. And with the way that I didn't mix everything up together, it stays fresh whenever I want to eat. So whenever I want to have this, all I do is now to, get some of the vegetables and the egg and put into a bowl, and then add a little bit of my baked beans and my salad cream. I just add it that way and mix everything nicely well. Sometimes I love to eat the salad this way. Like the day I made this, I ate it just like this. It depends on my mood. And then sometimes you can serve I eat it with rice, so you can serve this whichever way you want as a side dish, or be like me and just eat it this way. And yeah, you mix everything nicely well, your salad is ready. Now I'm going to cover the rest of the ones I'm not using today and put in the fridge so that whenever I want, this comes in handy. This is also a nice way to like do a meal prep. That way you always have your salad whenever you want it. And there you have it, creamy, delicious, and luscious Nigerian salad, which you can serve in a party, eat just like this, or as a side dish with your rice or any other thing. Yeah, This recipe is very simple to make. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. We have come to the end of today's video, and I want to say big thank you for watching the video. Do have a wonderful 2026, as this is the first video we're dropping this year. I love you guys. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.